thinking I'm crazy. But what's really crazy is that I'm about to cut a hole into a bathtub and get paid for it. And then I'm going to get a 5-star review afterwards. I'm going to show you how I'm going to get this done. Cutting this hole in the bathtub and the process of what it's going to look like afterwards. Enjoy the video. Let's get started.